So hi everyone, I am Kavimishek and in this video we will going to see how to extract the content of elements like OL tags. Inside OL tags we have some LI tags. So for example, if we have created any order list and there we want to extract the elements of the content of the list, so we will use for that purpose JavaScript. So how to get the contents of the OL tags and LI tags using JavaScript, and we will see, and further we will implement the same method on the other tags also, like division, input tags and all that. So first of all, you can see on the desktop I have created three files, namely index.html, style.html, and then script.js. Okay, so currently we don't have anything type inside the HTML tag. So first of all we need to give a template. So for that, shift exclamation and then press enter. It will give us the empty template of the JavaScript after HTML tag. Okay, HTML page, JavaScript content extract. Okay, so let me again load this page, so it will take time. Okay, now we have open. So we have given our page title as JavaScript content extract. So as you can see that we have empty template, we just have given a JavaScript. So in the body tag we will add some division tags, so it division container, so it will keep those elements inside it, and we can simply align them and contain them in the center. So let me first create the comment. So here in the first section we will create OL and LI tags. Okay, so let me show you. First of all we need to give it label for OL LI. Okay, so inside this we will give order list. Okay, you can see there order list. Okay, so this all, or let me first replace it with the, so first of all we need to give container OL. Okay, a container tag, so it will keep those elements inside. Okay, now we'll create OL tag. Okay, inside this OL tag we will create LI tags. Second one, then third one, then the fourth one. So in this way we will create them. Okay, so for example I am taking the planet's name of our solar system, in our solar system: Earth, likewise Mars, Jupiter, then Venus, Saturn. Okay, Saturn, then Mercury, then Sun. Okay, Sun is not a planet, we know it. So as you can see it reflects back on the HTML page. So we just have created a division container. Inside that division container we are having a label, so we can identify that what this division container is containing. Then we have OL order list. Inside this order list we are having some list contents, like we are, for example, we are taking planets name like Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Venus, Saturn, Mercury. The Sun is not a planet, Sun is a star, we know. So now in the next section, the first step is completed. Now the next step will be creating a text area and the buttons, so that we can extract and get the content inside the text area using those buttons. Okay, yeah, we are created. So similarly we does with the OL and LI tags. We just have created we just had created a division container. So in this way we will create another division container for the text area also. Container, okay, text area, let it be simple, and inside this we will give label. So we will identify what type of content is inside that. Okay, label. Just for text area I'm giving text area. Okay, let me text area. Okay, in this way we just have created text area. Now the next tag would be of text area. Okay, text area. Similar, we don't know, we don't need ID and name, so we will simply remove them. Okay, here we are having the container. Okay, so in the columns, in the columns we will take the column length as 50, and let the row will be as it is. Okay, okay, we have just created text area. Next is button is for showing OL content. Okay, the name would be of the name of this button will be the same as of class name. Okay, OL content. So we have created button. Now the next step would be button for clearing the content of the text area. We will create another button with the name of clear. So here we have just created our tags. So we are done with our HTML page. So now let's move to the style. Okay, style page, style.css. So first me add the external link. First me add the external CSS. Okay, we have just added the CSS. Now needs to add script not JS, JavaScript. So I added our CSS and JavaScript using the script and link tag. Now the next part is about formatting the page using the CSS. Okay, formatting the page using CSS. So in this we will going to format each and every division tag so that we can get a better aesthetic. So first we will select the container. Where is the container? This one. Let me first select the body. To align body elements in the center we will going to use display using the flex, then the flex direction in the column wise, then align my items in the center. Okay, as you can see that all the content of the page has an eye align to the center. Okay, now the next one is that container OL. Okay, so we will going to align the container OL to center. Okay, now let's give container OL. Then inside this we will again going to use flex. Then flex direction, we want it in the column wise, so it is column. Then give the gap 10 pixel. Again align items in the center, we want them into center. Need a border. We will give the border size as 2 pixel, it is in solid type. And then RGB 23, 144 and then 152. Done. Okay, yeah, we are done it. Then again give the height we will give 200 pixel. Then width 400 pixel, width 400 pixel. Then margin 5 pixel. Then also padding 5 pixel. Okay, now let's see. Okay, so we have done the formatting of our OL container. Now the next step would be to align container to center. Okay, the container division tag and the elements inside it, we want to let them align. So for that we will again select container, then again give display flex, then flex direction, again column, then gap between them again 10 pixel, then align items center, then border will be the same 2 pixel solid. Let me copy this so we don't need to do it again and again. Okay, done. Then height 200 pixel, then width 400 pixel, margin let the margin 5 pixels same as of container oil tag, and the padding also 5 pixel. So here we have aligned all the body element. Okay, so let me show you that even if we maximize and minimize it, it won't get affected. Okay, so in this way we will do it. So we are done with the formatting and HTML tag. Okay, HTML page and CSS. So now let's move to our script.js. So in this script.js we will going to use some methods and add event listeners, query selector, likewise methods to get the work done. So mainly we want to get these all elements and when we click on the show OL content, all the list tag content will be displayed in the text area. So for this we will create our JavaScript. So inside it we will give it show OL list contents in text area. So for this we will going to code something. Okay, so now the first will be the event listener on the button show OL content, show OL content. So first we will select the document, the entire HTML page, then query.selector, and then we will going to add a event listener for the show OL content button. Okay, so let me show OL content. Now add this button to the event listener. So in the name in the place of event we will give click. So when we click on the show OL content, it will execute the code inside this function. The first will be the collection variable to select ol tag children's like list. So this variable collection, okay, this variable collection will going to select the ol tag, and then we'll select the children's of the ol tags. So basically we are having ol, this is our order list. So whatever inside these are the li, okay, list elements. So one by one this collection variable will going to select all the list tag contents and will show us on the screen, okay, by using the collection variable. So now we need to loop this using the for loop. So inside this for loop, from the first children to the collection dot length, after the length of the collection, so what is the length of the collection, we can get it. So this one 0 1 2 3 4 5 and 6, 6 is the length of the ol tag children's, okay. So now the increment, so we are done with the looping. Now we will going to assign the text area value to the collection I. So it will loop one by one to each list tag, and then we will going to get the content of the list tag using the text dot content, okay. So let me give it document dot query selector. This one will going to select the text area, this one will going to select the text area. Now we have selected our text area, this one. So dot value. So when we select this text area, then dot value, so whatever content is going to be pasted here inside the text area, we will going to assign it, okay. So now we will add and assign. So this one is the operator add plus and equal, okay. So add on this will add on the collection elements, okay, then collection, then I. So when the loop is running, when I is equal to 0, this collection tag will select earth. When I is equal to 1, this one will select Mars. When I is equal to 3, Jupiter. 4 for Venus, for 6 Saturn, Mercury, and then Sun. In this way it will going to select each and every element and add those element inside the text area, this one. So now text content, okay. So by using collection I, it will select the first list element, okay, and after that using text content, it will select the content of the first list element. So what is inside the first list element? Earth. So it will show us inside this text area earth. Then after that it will append Mars, then Jupiter, then Venus, then Saturn, then Mercury, then Sun. In this way it will going to add all the list element content. Then add, for the new line I am adding double inverted comma slash n. So we have completed our JavaScript code for show OL content. So let me show you. Control S, save. Let me show you show OL tag. So here you can see that when we click on the show OL content, it is showing us the all content inside the order list. Okay. So this is what we have created by using this code. Let me first. We need more. The row should be bigger, I think so. It won't work. Okay. Let me again show you. Okay. So in this way we can create a JavaScript program to extract the content from the tags of the HTML. Okay, so let us create another event listener so that we can clear out the entire uh, uh, clear out all the contain inside the text area. So this we will select the clear button, then add event listener, then event name is click. When we click on the event, it will going to erase all the content inside the text area. Okay, then select text area, then again value. So now we will select we will assign a empty string. Okay, so now let me show you what it will bring us. Show all content will going to show you the content of the ol text, and when we click on the clear button, it will clear all the content inside the text area. Okay, so in this way we can do it. Okay, so in this way we can do it. So hope you guys enjoy this video, and thank you for watching.